Hey guys, welcome to Chicken Fried Kitchen. Today we're working on a classic Southern meatloaf recipe. For this recipe, you'll need ground beef, white onion, green bell pepper, saltine crackers, Worcestershire sauce, browning, minced garlic, milk, ketchup, kosher salt, black pepper, onion powder, eggs, dark brown sugar, and Dijon mustard. Begin by preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, crushing up the saltine crackers and dicing the onion and bell pepper. Then, in a mixing bowl, combine the crackers, onion, bell pepper, eggs, milk, minced garlic, Worcestershire and browning sauce, ketchup, kosher salt, black pepper, and onion powder. Don't forget, you can always check the description for ingredients, step-by-step instructions, and the full recipe link. If you love comfort food recipes as much as I do, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and hit the bell to be notified of future recipes just like this one. Now let's keep cooking. Now, add the ground beef to the same bowl and mix the meatloaf ingredients together until thoroughly combined and evenly distributed. Transfer the mixture to a loaf pan and press firmly to ensure everything sticks together well during baking. Place the meatloaf in the oven and bake for 45 minutes. In the meantime, in a small mixing bowl, whisk together the ketchup, dark brown sugar, Dijon mustard, and Worcestershire sauce to prepare the meatloaf glaze. Once you have reached the 45-minute mark, remove the meatloaf from the oven, drain any excess grease if you'd like, and brush the top with the glaze. Lastly, place your meatloaf back in the oven and bake for about another 45 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the meatloaf is done, let it rest for about 10 minutes, slice it, and serve it with brown gravy, mashed potatoes, or any of your favorite comfort food sides. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments how your classic Southern meatloaf turned out, and as usual, happy cooking.